In today's competitive market, your brand's voice is more important than ever. We provide expert strategies to help you amplify your voice. We help you craft a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience and showcases your brand's values, mission, and vision. Our team ensures your brand message is consistent across all platforms, creating a unified experience that builds trust with your customers. We strategically optimize your presence on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. From graphics to videos and blogs, we produce high-quality content that speaks to your target audience. We help you foster authentic relationships with your followers, building a community that champions your brand. We connect you with relevant influencers who align with your brand values to amplify your reach. We manage influencer campaigns to ensure your brand's voice is communicated effectively to their audience. We create valuable, informative content that positions your brand as an authority in your industry. We optimize your content to ensure your brand voice reaches a wider audience through search engines. We create impactful video content that highlights your brand's personality, products, and services. We help you connect with your audience in real time, building a personal connection that amplifies your voice. Develop personalized email campaigns that provide value to your subscribers. Segment your audience for more relevant messaging. Ensure your brand voice is consistent across all channels, including visual elements, tone, and messaging. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products through reviews and social media posts. Your website should clearly communicate your brand's message with engaging content and user-friendly design. Engage in PR efforts to get your brand featured in reputable publications and build authority in your industry. Get involved in your communities through forums and supporting charitable causes to amplify your brand voice. Digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!